shown. Left or right, they're all the same. Point the finger, shift the blame. Life and chance in perfect tune. Red and blue, both howl at the moon. Two wings of the same shady bird. Calling lies you already heard. Left or right, it's just a blur. Two wings of the same shady bird. Suits and ties on bloody floors. Open windows, lock the doors. Shaking hands behind the veil. Selling truths they'll never tell. Smiling faces, sharpened teeth. Hidden blue, both howl at the moon. Two wings of the same shady bird. Calling lies you already heard. Left or right, it's just a blur. Two wings of the same shady bird. Suits and ties on bloody floors. Open windows, lock the doors. Shaking hands behind the veil. Selling truths they'll never tell. Smiling faces, sharpened teeth. Hidden daggers underneath. Two wings of the same shady bird. Calling lies you already heard. Left or right, it's just a blur. Two wings of the same shady bird.
Burn the maps, burn the plans. Lines drawn by dead hands. Who built the cage, who lit the fire? The ashes rise, but the lies go higher. No government, like no government. No change, no rules, no argument. No government, like no government. Just the sound of silence breaking cement. Breaking cement. Flags of rags sewn with screams. Boundaries built on broken dreams. Who decides what's yours, what's mine? Steal a second, stealing time.
Empty streets, no flags to wave. Broken walls, no one to save. The air tastes like rust and blame. No rules left, just the same old game. No government, like no government. No change, no lies, just discontent. The air tastes like rust and blame. No rules left, just the same old game. No government, like no government. No change, no lies, just discontent. They build us prisons, call it free. No government, like no government to me. Prominent like no government to me. Promises run the cracks of the street. Truth's a ghost you'll never meet. They sell us hope, wrapped in despair. We're choking, but they don't care. Bar, no paper, Travis Scott. No more kids, no alibis. No government, but no government. No borders, no crowns, no punishment. They steal our voices, feed us dirt. No government, like no government to me. Oh, no government to me. What's left when the towers fall? Just empty echoes in the hall. No leaders, no saviors to call. We're the ashes, we're the wall. What's left when the towers fall? Just empty echoes in the hall. No leaders, no saviors to call. to me. No government like no government to me.
Smoke rolls like a ghost in the trees. Bones snap on your careless boots. Roots tease the earth like a cursed disease. Whispers of pain left mute. Killing fields of ash and bone. Who's left to call this place a home? Echoes scream where silence grows. Killing fields nobody knows. Sun sets like a bloody eye. Sky burns in its dying breath. Children's laughter replaced by cries. The bitter taste of death. Killing fields of ash and bone. Who's left to call this place a home? Echoes scream where silence grows. Killing fields nobody knows. Nobody knows. How many lies does it take to fall? How many graves till it's too late to crawl? Marching forward but going nowhere. A broken flag flutters in despair. Killing fields of ash and bone. Who's left to call this place a home? Echoes scream where silence grows. Killing fields nobody knows. Killing fields of ash and bone. Who's left to call this place a home? Echoes scream where silence grows. Killing fields nobody knows. Nobody knows.
protecting you. What if we burned it all? What if we let it fall?
No wars, no prophets, no prophets.